What if your smartwatch could actually help you balance your lifestyle, your workouts, your sleep, and even your stress? That's the idea behind the new Amazfit Balance 2. It isn't just another fitness tracker. It's built to be a smarter companion that gives you more awareness of your body and your day-to-day health. Today we're going to see how it feels to live with this watch, how accurate it is, and whether it's worth buying in 2025. Stick around, because by the end of this review, you'll know if this is the watch that deserves your wrist or if you should keep looking. Welcome back to Tap Tech, the channel where we keep tech reviews simple, clear, and honest. Let's get into the Amazfit Balance 2 and see how it really performs in real life. The first thing you notice when using the Balance 2 is the experience. This watch is designed for people who want to track everything without feeling overwhelmed. It picks up your workouts quickly, whether you're running, cycling, or even doing yoga. The GPS locks in fast, and the tracking feels reliable. You don't have to stand around waiting for the signal, which makes a big difference if you're someone who just wants to start moving. During exercise, the heart rate tracking feels steady. You don't see wild spikes or random drops. It helps when you're training in specific heart rate zones. The Balance 2 also brings improved accuracy for step counting and calorie tracking, which makes your stats feel more trustworthy compared to earlier models. One of the strongest parts of the experience is the recovery and readiness data. The watch doesn't just tell you how much you moved, it also shows how ready your body is for the next day. This is done through stress tracking, sleep analysis, and heart rate variability. It gives you a readiness score that helps you decide whether to push harder or rest more. For anyone trying to balance workouts and recovery, this is actually useful and not just a random number on your wrist. The sleep tracking feels detailed without being confusing. It breaks down deep sleep, light sleep, and REM cycles. Even looks at your breathing quality overnight. If you're someone who struggles with sleep or just wants to understand your rest better, the Balance 2 makes that process easy. The morning reports are short and simple, but the app gives you more depth if you want to go deeper. Day-to-day use feels smooth. Notifications are quick and easy to read on the watch. You can check messages, calls, and apps without pulling out your phone every time. The haptics feel soft but noticeable, so you don't miss alerts, but you also don't feel like your wrist is buzzing too aggressively. The design plays a big role in the experience too. The Balance 2 looks sleek and modern. It doesn't scream fitness gadget. Instead, it blends into everyday life. The case is slim, the bezels around the display are tighter, and the straps feel comfortable enough for all-day wear. It's light on the wrist, which matters when you're sleeping with it on or wearing it through long workouts. The display is bright and clear, uses an AMOLED screen that looks sharp indoors and outdoors. Sunlight readability is much better this year, so you don't have to shield the watch when running outside. The colors are vibrant, which makes watch faces pop. Animations feel smooth, which gives the interface a polished look. Performance is quick. Swiping through menus and switching between apps feels snappy. You don't see lag when opening workout modes or scrolling through notifications. The Balance 2 is clearly built to be smooth, and that makes it pleasant to use daily. The software and features add to that experience. The watch supports a wide range of workout modes covering casual fitness, strength training, outdoor sports, and more niche activities. It also connects to popular health apps, so you can sync your data where you want it. The AI coaching feels like a helpful addition. It gives you suggestions based on your goals, whether that's improving endurance, recovering better, or balancing activity and rest. Battery life is impressive. The Balance 2 lasts well over a week with normal use. Even with heavy GPS tracking and constant heart rate monitoring, you can get several days without charging. This makes it easy to trust the watch through trips, busy schedules, training sessions without always worrying about plugging in. Charging itself is fast. You can get enough charge for a full day in under 15 minutes, which is convenient when you're in a rush. For people who want to use the watch beyond fitness, the Balance 2 does bring smart features like controlling music, using quick replies, and even supporting some payments in select regions. While it isn't a full smartwatch replacement like an Apple Watch, it gives you enough to feel connected without distractions. Gaming or creative performance doesn't really apply here since it's a smartwatch, But the creative side comes from personalization. You can switch up watch faces, adjust widgets, and even design the layout of your data screens. It feels personal, so the Balance 2 adapts to how you use it instead of forcing you into a fixed setup. The speakers and audio experience are limited, but the vibrations are strong enough for alarms and alerts. You can take calls directly on the watch if paired with your phone. And the mic is clear enough for short conversations. Connectivity feels reliable. Bluetooth stays stable with your phone, and Wi-Fi syncing for updates works without issues. The watch also pairs well with headphones if you want to run without carrying your phone and still listen to music from the watch's storage. When it comes to price and value, the Amazfit Balance 2 is positioned as a mid-range smartwatch. Doesn't cost as much as premium watches from Apple or Samsung, but it still delivers a lot of features. The value comes from how much fitness and health tracking you get for the price. If you're looking for a balance between affordability and function, this watch hits a sweet spot. The pros are clear: strong fitness and health tracking, excellent battery life, a sleek design, and reliable performance. The display is beautiful, and the readiness features feel genuinely helpful. The cons are small but worth noting. It doesn't have the same deep app ecosystem as higher-end smartwatches. Some advanced features are limited by region. And while it does a lot, it doesn't fully replace a smartwatch if you're looking for heavy productivity tools. The final verdict is simple. The Amazfit Balance 2 is one of the most well-rounded smartwatches you can get in 2025 if your focus is health, fitness, and lifestyle balance. It's not trying to be everything. Instead, it focuses on helping you move better, recover smarter, and live more balanced. That's what you want this watch delivers. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where we keep reviews clear and honest. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more deep dives into the latest tech. See you in the next one.